Beech Grove, Indiana. 2 storage buildings at Amtrak's primary heavy maintenance facility are burning. And according to the Beech Grove Fire Department, it is believed the fire was intentionally set. The Indianapolis Fire Department also responded to the scene. Video from them shows heavy flames in the early morning hours of Sunday, May 2nd. Here, you can see multiple ladder trucks working to control the blaze. Tanker trucks were also there, delivering water. According to the Indianapolis Fire Department, there wasn't a working hydrant nearby. Fortunately, firefighters were able to get the fire under control in about an hour and a half. There were no injuries. Of course, scenes like this will certainly grab the attention of rail fans. Amtrak number 822 was parked right near the blaze. You can also see Superliner coaches in the background. An Amtrak spokesman told me no rail equipment was damaged. He said the structures that caught fire were used to store paint and cleaning materials, and that this incident won't impact production at the facility. Furthermore, he said there was a dry fire hydrant nearby, but others on the property were in service. This facility is very important to America's passenger rail network. It's where Amtrak locomotives and passenger cars go to be rebuilt and overhauled. Locomotive number 822 was actually upgraded here for its role pulling Amtrak's 40th anniversary exhibit train in 2011. It wears Amtrak's distinctive Phase 3 paint scheme. From the air, you can see just how massive this place is. The sprawling 108-acre Beech Grove property is a distinctive part of the landscape. In this August 1980 edition of Amtrak News, you can see inside some of the main buildings. The repair facility was originally constructed for the Cleveland, Cincinnati, Chicago, and St. Louis Railway. New York Central, followed by Penn Central, would ultimately use it until Amtrak purchased the site in 1975. There's definitely a lot of history here, and it's pretty unlikely that the 2 storage buildings that went up in flames had any historical significance.